हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, राणा अकॅडमीमध्ये तुमचं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. आपण स्टार्ट केली आहे नीटची प्रिवियस इयर क्वेश्चन सिरीज, ज्यामध्ये आपण आतापर्यंत पाहिला 2021 आणि 2022चा क्वेश्चन पेपर, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी. त्याच्यानंतर आपण पाहिला 2022 आणि 2023चा क्वेश्चन पेपर, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री. आता आपण पाहणार आहोत बायोलॉजीमध्ये आता पाहणार आहोत बॉटनी सेक्शन. तर चला मग सुरुवात करूया व्हिडिओला. बॉटनी, त्याच्यानंतर झुलॉजी. चला, क्वेश्चन नंबर 101. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other labeled as reason. Assertion: the first stage of gametophyte in the life cycle of moss is protonema stage. Reason: protonema develops directly from spores produced in capsule. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from options given below. Answer is 1. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 102. In angiosperm, the haploid, diploid and triploid structures of a fertilized embryo sac sequentially are. Answer is 3. Synergids, zygote and primary endosperm nucleus. Question number 103. Movement of accumulation of ions across the membrane against their concentration gradient can be explained by. Answer is 4. Active transport. Question number 104. Large, colorful, fragrant flowers with nectar are seen in. Answer is 1. Insect pollinated plants. Question number 105. The phenomena of pleiotropism refers to. Answer is 3. A single gene affecting multiple phenotypic expression. Question number 106. Which hormone promotes an internode peptide petal elongation in deep water ice? Answer is 3. Ethylene. Question number 107. Among the evil cortest, which one is considered the most important cause driving extinction of species? Answer is 1. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Question number 108. Upon exposure to UV radiation, DNA stained with ethidium bromide will show. Answer is 4. Bright orange color. Question number 109. Which micronutrient is required for splitting of water molecule during photosynthesis? Answer is 1. Manganese. Question number 110. Axial placentation is observed in. Answer is 4. China rose, petunia and lemon. Question number 111. The process of appearance of recombination nodules occurs at which substage of prophase 1 in meiosis? Answer is 2. Pectitin. Question number 112. The reaction center in PS2 has an absorption maxima at. Answer is 1. 680 nanometer. Question number 113. Unequivocal proof that DNA is the genetic material was first proposed by. Answer is 2. Alfred Hershey and Martha Chasse. Question number 114. Among eukaryotes, replication of DNA takes place in. Answer is 2. S phase. Question number 115. In tissue culture experiments, leaf mesophyll cells are put in a culture medium to form callus. This phenomena may be called as. Answer is 2. De-differentiation. Question number 116. Cellulose does not form blue color with the iodine because. Answer is 3. It does not contain complex helices and hence cannot hold iodine molecules. Question number 117. Spraying of which of the following phytochrome on juvenile conifers helps hastening the maturity period that leads to early seed production? Answer is 2. Gibberellic acid. Question number 118. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The forces generated transpiration can leave xylem sized column of water over 130 meters height. Statement 2. Transpiration cools leaf surfaces sometimes to 10 to 15 degrees. Evaporative cooling. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Question number 119. Family Fabaceae offers from Solanaceae and Liliaceae. With respect to the stamens, pick out the characteristics specific to family Fabaceae, but red but not found in Solanaceae or Liliaceae. Answer is 1. Diadelphus and Diathecus anthers. Question number 120. Express the sequence tags ESTA ESTs refers to. Answer is 1. All genes that are expressed as RNA. All genes that are expressed as RNA. Answer is 1. Question number 121. Identify the correct statement. Answer is 1. A, B, C only. Detritivores perform fragmentation. The humus is further degraded by some microbes during mineralization. Water-soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil and get precipitated by a process called leaching. Question number 122. The thickness of ozone in a column of air in the atmosphere is measured in terms of. Answer is 1. Dobson unit. Question number 123. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion. Lead wood has fewer auxiliary elements with narrow vessels. Reason. Cambium is less active in winters. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Answer question number 124. Which of the following stages of meiosis involves division of centromere? Answer is 3. Anaphase 2. Question number 125. The historic convention on biological diversity, the Earth Summit, was held in Rio de Janeiro in the year. Answer is 2. 1992. Question number 126. How many ATP and NADPH2 are required for the synthesis of one molecule of glucose during Calvin cycle? Answer is 2. 18 ATP and 12 NADPH2. Question 127. In the equation GPR minus R is equal to NPP, GPP is gross primary productivity, NPP is net primary productivity, R here is. Answer is 3. Respiratory loss. Question number 128. During the purification process for recombinant DNA technology, addition of chilled ethanol precipitates out. Answer is 2. DNA. Question number 129. What is the role of RNA polymerase in the process of transcription in eukaryotes? Answer is 2. Transcription of tRNA, 5S RNA and snRNA. Question number 130. What is the function of tassels in the corn cob? Answer is 2. To trap pollen grains. Question number 131. Identify the pair of heterosporous pteridophytes among the following. Answer is 2. Selaginella and Salvinia. Question number 132. In gene gun method used to introduce align DNA into host cells, microparticles of metals are used. Answer is 3. Tungsten or gold. Question number 133 given below are two statements. Statement 1, enlarged and exarch are the terms often used for describing the position of secondary xylem in the plant body. Statement 2, exarch condition is the most common feature of the root system. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is true. Question number 134, frequency of recombination between gene pairs on same chromosome as a measure of the distance between genes to map their position on chromosome was used for the first time by. Answer is 3. Alfred Sturtevant. Question number 135, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion: ATP is used at two steps in glycolysis. Reason: first ATP is used in converting glucose into glucose 6-phosphate and second ATP is used in conversion of fructose 6-phosphate into fructose 1,6-diphosphate. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Section B. 136. Which one of the following statements is not correct? Answer is 2. Algal blooms caused by excess of organic matter in water improve water quality and promotes fisheries is incorrect. Question number 137. How many different proteins does the ribosome consist of? Answer is 1. 80 proteins. Question number 138. Which of the following statements are correct about the Klinefelter syndrome? Answer is 3. B and E only. Such an individual has overall masculine developments, however, the feminine development is also expressed. Such individuals are sterile. Answer is 3. B and E only. Question 139. Match list 1 and list 2. Answer is 4. Oxidative decarboxylation, pyruvate dehydrogenase. Glycolysis, EMP pathway. Oxidative phosphorylation, electron transport system. Tricarboxylic acid cycle, citrate synthase. Answer is 4. Question 140. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion: a flower is defined as a modified shoot wherein the shoot apical meristem changes to floral meristem. Reason: internode of the shoot gets condensed to produce different floral appendages laterally at successive node instead of leaves. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 141. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and the other labeled as reason. Assertion: in gymnosperms, the pollen grains are released from the microsporangium and carried by air currents. Reason: air currents carry the pollen grains to the mouth of the archegonia where the male gametes are discharged and pollen tube is not formed. Answer is 3. A is true but R is false. Question number 142. Match list 1 and list 2. Answer is 1. Cohesion, mutual attraction among water molecules. Adhesion, attraction towards polar surfaces. Surface tension, more attraction in solid and liquid phase. Guttation, water loss in liquid phase. Question number 143. Answer is 1. Which of the following combinations is required for chemoosmosis? Answer is 1. Membrane, proton pump, proton gradient, ATP synthase. Question number 144. Melanoid inhibits the growth of pathogenic bacteria by inhibiting the activity of. Answer is 1. Succinic dehydrogenase. Question number 145. Identify the correct statements. Answer is 2. A and D only. Lenticels are the lens-shaped opening permitting the exchange of gases. Bark refers to periderm and secondary phloem. Answer is 2. A and D only. Correct statements. Question number 146. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. M phase, equational division. G2 phase, proteins are synthesized. Question stage, inactive phase. G1 phase, the internal between mitosis and initiation of DNA replication. Question number 147. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. Mutualism plus A plus B. Commensalism plus A 0B. Amensalism minus A 0B. Parasitism plus A minus B. Question number 148. Given below are two statements, statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1, gases competitive exclusion principle states that two closely related species competing for the same resources cannot coexist indefinitely, and competitive inferior one will be eliminated eventually. Statement 2, in general, carnivores are more adversely affected by competition than herbivores. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is false. Question number 149. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. Iron, activator of catalase. Zinc, synthesis of oxygen. Boron, cell elongation and differentiation. Molybdenum, component of nitrate reductase. Question 150. Many steps in the formation of recombinant DNA are given below. Arrange these steps in a correct sequence. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. B, C, D, A. B. Cutting of DNA at specific location by restriction enzymes. C. Isolation of desired DNA fragment. D. Amplification of gene of interest using PCR. E. Insertion of recombinant DNA into the host cell. Zoology section 1. Question number 151. Match list 1 and list 2. List 1, vasectomy, column interrupts, cervical caps, Saheli. Question number list 2nd, oral method, barrier method, surgical method, natural method. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. Vasectomy, surgical method. Column interrupts, natural method. Cervical caps, barrier method. Saheli, oral method. Question 152. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, was a difference receives a duct from the seminal vesicle and opens into urethra as the ejaculatory duct. Statement 2. The cavity of the cervix is called the cervical canal, which along with the vagina forms birth canal. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Question 153. Which of the following statements is correct? Answer is 2. Biomagnification refers to increase in concentration of the toxicant at successive trophic levels. Answer is 2. Question number 154. Which one of the following symbols represents mating between relatives in human pedigree analysis? Answer is 2. Question number 155. Which one of the following common sexually transmitted diseases is completely curable when detected early and treated properly? Answer is 2. Gonorrhea. Question number 156. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Heroin slow down body function. Margarina effect on cardiovascular system. Cocaine interfere with transport of dopamine. Morphine's painkiller. Question number 157. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. Cartilaginous joint between adjacent vertebrae in vertebral column. A ball and socket joint between humerus and pectoral girdle. Fibrous joint between flat skull bones. Saddle joint between carpal and metacarpals of thumb. Answer is 2. Question number 158. Given below are two statements, statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1. A protein is imagined as a line of soft and represented by first amino acid C terminal and the right and represented by last amino acid N terminal. Statement 2. Adult human hemoglobin consists of 4 subunits, 2 subunits of type and of alpha type and 2 subunits of beta type. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 4. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Question number 159. Which of the following are not considered as a part of endomembrane system? Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. ACE only. Mitochondria, chloroplasts, peroxisomes. Question number 180. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. RNA mutates at a faster rate. Statement 2. Viruses having RNA genome and shorter lifespan mutate and evolve faster. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Question number 161. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. CCK, pancreas, GIP, gastric gland, ANF, heart, ADH, kidney. Question number 162. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion: endometrium is necessary for implantation of blastocysts. Reason: in the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates, that causes disintegration of endometrium. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 163. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Ringworm, trichophyton, filariasis, Vaucheria bronchi, malaria, Plasmodium vivax, pneumonia, Haemophilus influenza. Answer is 1. Question number 164. Given below are two statements, statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1. Low temperature preserves the enzymes in a temporarily inactive state, whereas high temperature destroys enzymatic activity because proteins are denatured by heat. Statement 2. When the inhibitor closely resembles the substrate in its molecular structure and inhibits the activity of the enzyme, it is known as competitive inhibitor. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. The answer is 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Question number 165. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. Tania, flame cells, paramecium, contractile vacuum, periplaneta, urocose gland, ferritima, nephridia. Answer is 3. Question number 166. Which one of the following techniques does not serve the proper purpose of early diagnosis of disease for its early treatment? Answer is 2. Serum and urine analysis. Question number 167. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. A leopard and lion in a forest grassland competition. A cuckoo laying an egg in a crow's nest. Broad parasitism. Fungi and root of higher plant in mycorrhiza. Mutualism. A cattle great and a cattle in a field. Commensalism. Answer is 1. Question number 168. Given below are two statements. Statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1. Ligaments are dense irregular tissue. Statement 2. Cartilage is dense regular tissue. Choose the correct options given below. Answer is 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Question number 169. Given below are two statements, statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1. In prokaryotes, the positively charged DNA is held with some negatively charged proteins in a region called nucleoid. Statement 2. In eukaryotes, the negatively charged DNA is wrapped around the positively charged histone octamer to form nucleosome. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 4. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is true. Question number 170. Which match list 1 and list 2 with respect to human age? Humans are. List 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Fovea, point of greatest visual acuity or resolution. Iris, visible colored portion of eye that regulates the diameter of pupil. Blind spot, point where optic nerve leaves the eyeball and photoreceptor cells are absent. Sclera, external layer of eye formed of lens connective tissue. Question number 171. Select the correct group set of Australian marsupials exhibiting adaptive radiation. Answer is 2. Numbats, spotted cuscus, flying phalanger. Question 172. Which of the following statements are correct regarding female reproductive cycle? Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer is 4. ACD only. In non-primate mammals, cyclical changes during reproduction are called oestrus cycle. Lack of menstruation may be indicative in pregnancy. Cyclic menstruation extends between menarche and menopause. Question number 173. Vital capacity of lung is. Answer is 4. RV plus ERV plus TV. Question 174. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. P wave, depolarization of at risk. Q wave, beginning of systole. QRS complex, depolarization of ventricles. T wave, repolarization of ventricles. Answer is 1. Question number 175. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and other is labeled as reason. Assertion: amniocentesis for sex determination is one of the strategies of reproduction and child health care programs. Reason: ban on amniocentesis checks increasing menace of female from foetidia. Answer is 4. A is false but R is true. Question number 176. Once the undigested and unabsorbed substances enter the cecum, their backflow is prevented by. Answer is 2. Ileocecal valve. Question 177. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. Gene A, transacetylase. Gene Y, permease. Gene T, repressor protein. Gene Z, beta galactosidase. Question number answer is 2. Question number 178. Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. Peptic cells, proenzyme pepsinogen. Goblet cells, mucus. Oxyntic cells, HCl and intrinsic factor for absorption of vitamin B12. Hepatic cells, bile juice. Question number 179. Which of the following functions is carried out by cytoskeleton in a cell? Answer is 3. Motility. Question number 180. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion: nephrons are of two types, cortical and juxtaglomeracular, based on their relative position in cortex and medulla. Reason: juxtamedullary nephrons have short loop of Henle, whereas cortical nephrons have longer loop of Henle. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. A is true and R is false. Question number 181 given below are two statements. Statement 1, electrostatic precipitator is most widely used in thermal power plant. Statement 2, electrostatic precipitator in thermal power plant removes ionizing radiations. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. Statement A is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 182, broad palm with single palm crease is visible in a person suffering from. Answer is 1. Down syndrome. Question number 183, radial symmetry is not found in adults of phylum. Answer is 2. Hemichordata. Question number 184, in which blood corpuscles the HIV undergoes replication and produces progeny viruses. Answer is 1. Th cells. Question number 185, which of the following is not a cloning vector? Answer is 4. Probe is not a cloning vector. Section B, question number 186, match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Logistic growth, limited resource availability condition. Exponential growth, unlimited resource availability condition. Expanding age pyramid, the percent individuals of pre-reproductive age is largest, followed by reproductive and post-reproductive age groups. Stable age pyramid, the percent individuals of pre-reproduction and reproductive age groups are same. Question number 187, select the correct statements with reference to coordinates. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. B and C only. Presence of closed circulatory system. Presence of paired pharyngeal gill slits. Answer is 2. Question number 188, the parts of human brain that helps in regulation of sexual behavior, expression of excitement, pleasure, rage, fear, etc. are. Answer is 1. Limbic system and hypothalamus. Question number 189, the unique mammalian characteristics are. Answer is 2. Hairs, pinna and mammary glands. Question number 190, which of the following are not under the control of thyroid hormones? Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. C and D only. Normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle, development of immune system. C and D only. Answer is 3. Question number 191, select the correct statements. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. B and D only. During anaphase, the centromere split and chromatids separate. D. Nucleolus Golgi complex and ER are reformed during telophase. Answer is 2. B and D only. Question number 192, match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. Mast cells, areolar connective tissue. Inner surface of bronchial ciliated epithelium. Blood, specialized connective tissue. Tubular parts of nephron, cuboidal epithelium. Answer is 3. Question number 192, answer is 3. Question number 192, answer is 3. Question number 193, which of the following is characteristic feature of cockroach regarding to sexual dimorphism? Answer is 2. Presence of anal styles. Question number 194, which of the following is the sequence of corresponding coding strand if the sequence of mRNA formed is as follows: 5' to 3'? Answer is 3. Question number 194, answer is 3. Question number 195. And cockroach excretion is brought about by. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. BCD only. Urocose gland, nephrocytes, fat body. Question number 196. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, Statement 2. Statement 1. During G0 phase of cell cycle, the cell is metabolically inactive. Statement 2. The centrosome undergoes duplication during S phase of interphase. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer is 4. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Question number 197. Which one of the following is not an advantage of inbreeding? Answer is 4. It decreases the productivity of inbred population after continuous inbreeding. Question number 198. Which of the following statements are correct? Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. BCD only. ADH facilitates water absorption to prevent erosis, diuresis. ANF causes vasodilation. ADH causes increase in blood pressure. Question number 199. Which of the following statements are correct regarding skeletal muscle? Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. B and C only. Sarcoplasmic reticulum of muscle fiber is a storehouse of calcium ions. Striated appearances of skeletal muscles fiber is due to distribution pattern of actin and myosin proteins. Question number 200. Which of the following statements are correct? Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 3. B and C only. Basophils secrete histamine, serotonin, and heparin. C. Basophils are involved in inflammatory response. तर ऑप्शन है आंसर इज 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 200. आन्सर इज 3. B and C ओनली. तर इथे आपलं संपतो बायोलॉजीचा बॉटनी अँड झुलॉजी सेक्शन. आपण सर्व क्वेश्चन पाहिलेले आहे 2022 आणि 2023चे या व्हिडिओमध्ये. तर प्लीज या व्हिडिओला जास्तीत जास्त शेअर करा. प्लीज लाईक शेअर अँड सबस्क्राईब. थँक्यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.